So Samsung just released their new Galaxy Z Fold 7, so let's unfold some tips and tricks to make your new Z Fold 7 feel like the Ultra device they promised it to be. Stick around and let me show you how to get the most out of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now the first question is, do you want to boost the performance of your Galaxy Z Fold 7? You see, it has the capabilities for 12 GB of RAM, but it actually only ships with 8 GB enabled. Here's how to unlock the rest. First go to Settings, then Device Care, and then tap on Memory. Once you're in the memory menu, select RAM+, and you'll see that it is set to 8 GB by default, but you can increase it to 12 GB. Now after you select 12 GB, your phone will need to restart. This feature works by allocating 4 GB of your phone's storage to function as additional RAM. While you will be losing 4 GB of physical storage, the performance improvement is definitely worth it. Second is to split any app. Now that we have improved the performance, let's use that for one of the best use cases of this device, and that is multitasking. Using split screen is amazing on the Fold 7, but not all apps support it, but there's a way to fix that. First go to Settings, then Advanced Features, Lab Settings, and then turn on multi-window for all apps. And now that we can split any app, that is amazing, but having to drag and drop apps isn't. But luckily, there is a much better way to do it. All you need to do is go to Settings, then go to Advanced Features, and then click on Multi-Window. From here, you can toggle Show Multi-Window menu with one window on, which will create this tiny line at the top of your screen. Now what this does is, if you have an app open already, click on the line, click Split Screen option, and select your second app. It is as easy as that, but there is an even easier way if you use certain apps a lot together. If you find yourself using the same two apps in split screen setup every day, then this feature is a huge time saver. You can save these app pairs to your favorites and open them with a single tap. Once you have your two apps open in split screen view, tap the three dots in the middle and then hit the star icon. You can then choose where to save this app pair. Once it's saved, just tap the icon and both your apps will instantly open in your preferred split screen layout. No extra steps required. And yes, you can save as many different app combinations as you like, but wait, there's more. If you want an even easier way to split apps without the shortcut, you can simply activate Swipe to Split, and then you can easily just swipe apps to the side to start split screen, which is honestly even better than the first app that I shared. To activate it, all you need to do is go to Settings, then Advanced Features, then click on Multi-Window and activate all of these settings in there. Once you've done that, all you need to do is, once an app is open, swipe to the side with 2 fingers, and as easy as that, you have activated split screen with a single swipe. But what if you don't want a full split view but still need to quickly switch between two apps? That's what the 90-10 split view is for. Simply enter split screen mode and drag the dividing line almost to one side. This activates the 90-10 split view. Now you can tap on the app that you want to use and it will instantly become larger, making it easy to switch between two apps in a snap. The best part is this works on both the main display and the cover display. Another cool feature is how you can turn your smartphone into a laptop and it genuinely feels like a tiny one. When you're watching a video or browsing the web with the phone fully open, just fold the device to a 90-degree angle. You'll now see this new icon appear at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on it and the entire bottom half of your display instantly transforms into a trackpad. You can use it to scroll through web pages, access quick settings like volume and brightness, and even type using a virtual keyboard, just like you would on a real laptop. It is a fantastic way to get more out of the foldable design. And if you thought turning your phone into a laptop was cool, wait until you see this. It's called Wireless DeX, and it lets you transform your phone into a full desktop computer, all without any cables. All you need is a Fold 7 and a compatible display like a smart TV. Then you just need to make sure that both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then on your phone, swipe down from the top to open the Quick Settings panel and select Wireless DeX. From there, your phone will show a list of displays that you can connect to. Just select the one you want and you are good to go. Once you are connected to the Wireless DeX, you can close your Fold 7 and use the phone itself as a trackpad and keyboard. Just tap the icon on the bottom left corner of the cover screen This lets you now navigate the web, view documents, and more directly from your phone. And for an even more PC-like experience, you can connect a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard as well, and this creates one of the most portable and powerful PC setups in the world. The Fold 7 is not just a phone, it's a tablet, a laptop, and a portable PC. Ever noticed how the Z Fold 7 automatically locks as soon as you close it? It's a handy security feature, but what if you just want to move your app from the big screen to the front screen without it locking? Well, there's a setting for that. Head over to Settings, then Display, and tap on Continue Apps on the cover screen at the very bottom. You'll have a couple of options, like Always will keep the app running on the cover screen every time you close your phone, or you can choose Swipe Up to continue. And honestly, this one is my favorite because it gives you a quick moment to swipe up and keep going in your app. Otherwise, it will just lock like normal. It's the perfect balance between convenience and security. Now with One UI 8, Samsung has decided to stick with the split notification and control panel, and if you aren't a fan of this layout, there is an easy way to change that. Drag down from the top right, then click on the pencil icon and then panel settings at the top left. From there you can select either separate, which is the default, or together if that is what you prefer. You can also change the quick panel to be on the left if you prefer the split way, but just want the quick panel on the other side. Then the next one is in the realm of customization, and this is actually a brand new feature thanks to One UI 8. Here's how it works. Just long press on your lock screen and tap on the clock. Now you will see this new option here with this adaptive text. When you select it, your lock screen clock will actually change its shape to flow around your wallpaper. It even has this subtle animation, making your phone feel a little bit more dynamic and unique. If you've been taking screenshots with your power and volume down button, let me show you a much easier way to do that. You can capture a screenshot on the Fold 7 by simply swiping the side of your palm across the screen, plus it works on both the cover screen and the main inner display, and in my opinion, it's especially helpful in tablet mode. To activate this, go to Settings, then Advanced Features, and then select Motions and Gestures. From there, turn on Palm Swipe to capture, and just remember that your hand needs to be in contact with the screen as you swipe, and that you can't do it too slowly. So be firm and confident with your swipe. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a really cool feature that's only possible because of its unique foldable design, and no, it isn't the interpreter feature itself, but the clever way that you can actually use it. On a regular phone like the S25 Ultra, if you're trying to communicate with someone using the interpreter app, you'd have to constantly turn the screen back and forth for both of you to see what you're actually saying, or lay the phone flat on a table, which although is better, still requires a table, and you still can sort of create these awkward angles of you needing to lean in. But with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, you can simply fold the device at a 90-degree angle, and this allows you to stand facing the other person with the device in between you, and both of you can see the translation on the screen at the same time. It's a seamless way to have a conversation. Now to set this up, just open the interpreter app and tap the button in the top right corner. You'll see a message that says translations of what you say will display on the cover screen. And now that you've done that, just fold the phone open and you are ready to go. Now, do you want a cool edge lighting effect when you charge or unlock your phone? Just go to Settings, then Modes and Routines, and scroll down to Charging. Tap on Edge Lighting Effect once and either choose a preset option or customize it to your liking. If you also want this effect when you unlock your phone, you can create a new routine, and for the if condition, simply select Unlock with Fingerprint. Now you'll get this slick edge lighting effect every time you unlock your phone or charge it. But these were only my top 15, and this device can do so much more. What are some of your favorite features for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7? Share them down below and let's see how many features we can add to this list. And then, until next time, cheers.